In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go to the next page in Microsoft Word. When working with a document, navigating efficiently and creating new pages is essential. Whether you just want to move to the next page to continue editing, or you need to add a new page for extra content, Microsoft Word makes it easy to do both. In this tutorial, I'll show you the different methods so you can choose whichever works best for your workflow. If your goal is simply to move your cursor to the next page, the easiest way is to use your mouse or the scroll bar. You can scroll down using your mouse wheel or drag the scroll bar on the right side of the screen. This lets you move through your document without making any changes to the layout or content. For faster navigation using the keyboard, you can press the Page Down key. Each time you press it, Word moves down one screen at a time. If you want to jump directly to the top of the next page, hold down the Control key and press Page Down. This shortcut is especially useful for long documents, allowing you to move quickly between sections without wasting time scrolling. If your objective is to create a completely new page, you need to insert a page break. Place your cursor where you want the new page to begin, then press Ctrl and Enter on your keyboard. Word will immediately create a new page at that position and move any existing content down. This is the best way to separate chapters, sections, or topics in your document while keeping formatting intact. You can also insert a page break using the menu. Click on the Insert tab at the top of the screen, then select Page Break. This achieves the same result as the keyboard shortcut, keeping your document clean and organized. Using page breaks instead of pressing Enter repeatedly is considered best practice. It ensures your formatting remains consistent and prevents layout issues if you later edit or add content. This way, your document stays professional and easy to work with. And that's it. Whether you're navigating to the next page or adding a new one, these methods make working in Microsoft Word much easier. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.